Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to use the ngIf directive in Angular. So I'm going to go to my example project that I've got here, and I'm going to first of all create a property in the component class, and I'm going to call this test boolean of type boolean, and I'm going to set that as false. So set that as false for the default. And I'm then going to go to the HTML, and I'm then going to create a button that says toggle boolean value, and I'm going to put a click event on that, on button click, and then create that method here, and then I'm going to toggle the boolean value. So this.test boolean is equal to not this.test boolean. That's how you toggle the value. And now I want to go back to the HTML, and I want to create a div. And in this div, I'm going to have a paragraph tag, and this will say the boolean value is true. Save that. And let's just quickly serve this application to show you what it looks like at the moment. Alright, so once it's served, we can go to localhost 4200, and we have this button here, which we created here, and we have this paragraph tag, which says the boolean value is true, which is great. And now we can make it so that this paragraph tag with this text only shows when the boolean value is true. So let's go back to the code, and let's use the built-in directive called ngIf, which is a structural directive. And structural directives are responsible for HTML layout. They shape or reshape the DOM structure. ngIf is an example of this, and with structural directives we have to use this asterisk here. So let's do that now. And here we'll just say if the boolean, the test boolean, is true. There we go. And we can now save this and go back to our app, and it's not showing anymore because we set the test boolean value as false. So it's not showing because this ngIf is saying that this code here, that this paragraph tag here, will only be in the DOM if this expression is true, which it obviously isn't because we set the value as false. And now we can test if this will show when we click this button. And it should, because when we click this button, it will then run this code here, which will toggle the value of the boolean. Alright then, so now let's go to the app and let's click this button. Okay, and it's not showing. And let's see why that is. Okay, so that's not working because I misspelt this. So let's put the T there and let's save that. And now it should work. If I now click this button, we now get the boolean value is true. And now it should disappear once I press this button again. There we go. And now it's able to toggle the value of the boolean. The ngIf directive is removing and adding that paragraph tag to the DOM. Okay, so that's a basic example of ngIf. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, be sure to post them down in the comments below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. See you next time.